Middle finger to the world, I'm screaming fuck it. I just bought a new Uzi and I'm about to bust it. Every day I'm blowed, steady smoking on these nuggets. I'm from a city where we backing up from nothing, from the killing to the hustling. We getting paid, but if you rich, all crack, your house getting raided. Police will rolling up in your spot like a parade, but I'm still hustling, still rocking fresh J's. I'm still busting, saying fuck it, shooting K's. Lost in a cloud of smoke, haze is what I blaze. People play or hate cause all I do is paper chase. I wish somebody would try to run up in my place. I put this Glock 40 up in your face. Pull the trigger back and see how many you can take. Every day I separate the real from the fake. Drunk all night, in the morning I wake and bake. They claiming that they do it like me, but they can't. Step up on the track to go harder in the paint. I'm about $1, they still worry about a rank. When I die, I swear I should be buried in a bank with a duffel bag of weed and a pint of purple drink. Money, weed, and pussy, it's all a thing. Stop acting like you're me, cause you know you ain't. I'm so high off living life, I think I'm about to faint. I'm the realest rapper, everything I spit I do. I ain't banging for a gang, I'm rapping for my crew. Big chains, big stacks, they like Evo look at you. But they don't see my pain of what I'm going through, cause I just don't know what my life is coming to. All I ever do is run through hoes and smoke O's and hop up on the mic to rip these flows. Money, power, and respect is all I wanna get. When I get a little money, big money flip. If you don't show respect, I make you eat a clip. My swag is so tight it makes you wanna get a grip. I'm the flyest around, you need to get a lift. Fuck bitches, get money, I learned it from a pimp. Money growing, music blowing up like a blimp. So put me on the top, I'm making #1 hits. Cause none of these other rappers, they ain't talking about shit.